Ever wished you could edit or split objects in AutoCAD instantly without repeating the same boring steps again and again? Well, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to break lines and polylines super fast, and a powerful tool that does the job automatically. Dear friends, when you want to break or split objects in AutoCAD, the first tool you think of is the break command. Just type BR, pick your line, arc, or polyline, and choose 2 points to remove a section. Or pick a single point to simply split the object into 2. But when it comes to polylines, there's a neat trick many people don't know. Use break at point. Just activate the tool, select your polyline, and click exactly where you want the split. When AutoCAD asks for the second point, simply type at. Done. Your polyline is now neatly divided into 2 editable parts. What if you have multiple lines or polylines to break at intersections? Running the break command again and again becomes tiring, slow, and honestly, boring. And that's where the magic begins. Meet break_pline, your new automation buddy. This tiny but powerful AutoLisp program will break all your selected polylines automatically at every intersection, in just seconds. Here's how to use it. 1. Download the program from the link in the description. 2. Load it using the appload command in AutoCAD. 3. Type BR_PL at the command prompt. 4. Select all the polylines you want to break. 5. And watch. AutoCAD do the magic automatically. Broken lines are placed in the layer of original polylines, and every original segment is placed neatly on a separate layer named broken_lines. Keeping your drawing clean and organized. Time saved? A lot. If you deal with multiple intersections, this tool is going to feel like a blessing. If you need more such time-saving automation tools, feel free to write to cadsuperuser@gmail.com. Send your sample drawing and explain your requirement. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using the program.